So yun guys, nagluluto na sila. Wala pang mga nanay yan. Wala pang ano, nanay yan. Pag nagbablog ka, tapos may ganyan, may tugtog, ano na yan, automatic po, copyright na sa YouTube.
It makes him hypnotized, so it makes him sleep, and it takes a ripple already from it. Yeah, and then he made E as well. So the E is the ripple of God made earth and God made the sky. God made fish and birds and fly. Animals, flowers, trees so tall. God made everything big and small. God made everything my eyes can see. God made you and God made me.
Tingnan nyo guys, pinapala yung pagkain. Ayan o. Ayan yung pala nila guys o. Pinapala nila yung pagkain. Ayan o. Ayan, pinapala nila yung pagkain. So guys, kain-kain tayo. Ayan. Lemon is life.
Wait.
Ayan pa yun. Ayan.
I show you how to be a waiter.
Sir Wong ang waiter.
Okay, take this one.
When you are right, you say sorry. When you're sorry, you're sure. Oh!
Dahil ang aming pagkain ngayon ay nakapala.
Yan. Ang pagkain namin ay pinagpapala at nagpapala.
Sarap.
Uulan ng pagpapala.
Pinapala.
Pinapala, ayan. Ayan yung hipon. Malitan mga vloggers. Mga vlog.
Kanya ng
Ayan yung mga vlog.
aming waiter.
Ayan, ayun ang aming waiter. Chinese, made in China. Made in China yung aming waiter.
Made in China ang aming waiter.
Yeah, at made in the Philippines yung mga kusinera. Made in the Philippines yung mga kusinera. Oh, ayan ang mga vlogger. Oh, ayan. Mga vlogger. Ayan. Yan. Sa kinakila, pinagpapala ang guys, ubos. Ubos, oh. Ubos. 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 Hindi dumaan sa atin yung ano, pusit. Saan guys, busog. 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 So, ayan, taob. Taob. Ayan. Sister Maricel, vlogger. Ayan. Taob.